is up, everybody? This is Cam Got Kicks, and I am back at it with another video today. Just give y'all a little update. So basically, I'm gonna start uploading at least once a week. It may be more, but at least once every single week. We're finna get consistent, especially with these Christmas releases coming up. We got the Cool Grays, the Thunder 4, well, the Red Thunder 4s, the Bubblegum ones, the Patent Leather Breads. So of course we're gonna have a lot of content rolling. I will be back home in Houston for good in about a month, so that's even more content that I can bring to you guys. Like I said, it's not much that I can do here, but as you can see, I did a vlog for my last video, so there is going to be some different content coming to the channel really soon. So just stay on the lookout for that. If y'all like it, let me know. If y'all don't like it, also let me know, because I'm here to give you guys whatever you guys want to see. But besides all of that, let's get into this video. So today we're going to be reviewing the Jordan, what kind of box is this? We're reviewing the Jordan 3 Pine Green. Actually didn't hit any raffles for this. I got exclusive access from JD Sports. I don't know if y'all knew about like the little rollout I don't know if you guys know about the rollout that they just recently did with the exclusive access. They gave me access to a men's pair of Pine Green 3s. They chose my store for me, and you basically spent 1,500 of your points in order to unlock your access, and then it was like first come first serve after that on the sizes. I ended up reserving a 10.5, but I didn't grab it because my store that they selected for me was at home in Houston and I'm at school, and I didn't have time to like send my ID and all of that to my mom, so I did miss out on that pair. But this pair, my personal pair, I ended up getting from Hibbett Sports. Retail on these was $140, and I had two $10 rewards, so I ended up paying $120 for these. Hey, that's my type of deal. Shoes for under retail, especially like a new release. That's really rare. But size tag, Air Jordan 3 Retro GS, black, pine green, silver, and white. And I ended up getting a size 5. Is this focused? I can't tell. I can't tell if this focused. But yeah, I ended up getting a size 5 because they didn't have a 5.5, and I really wanted to use my rewards. Could have got a 5.5 off of Dick's, but nah. So here we are. We got the pine greens. Alright, here we have the, dang, okay. Alright, here we have the shoe. Y'all will overlook of it. Now, as far as first impressions go on this shoe, it's a little ashy for my liking. Like I can't tell if y'all can see that, but like it got a little ash to it. I don't know. These are nubuck. I don't know why I thought these were gonna be leather up until release. I thought these was gonna be leather, but it's like a suede nubuck or whatever. And first thing I'm seeing right now is I have like a little stain on mine. I don't know if y'all can see that. Can y'all see that? I don't know, but I have a little stain on mine, and like I said, like they're just a little ashy. I don't really like that, and you can tell that it like picks up a lot of lint. So I don't know how that's gonna go in the long run, but on the details, you do not get an extra set of laces with these. They come with just plain black laces. That's what you get. Men's did get a special box. They got a pine green and gray elephant print box. Gray school did not, you know. We don't never get no special boxes. I can't say the last time I got a special box. Probably the Lightning Force was the last time I got a special box. But you have your pine green midsole with the white. That's your pads under the bottom. Looks really clean, I'm not gonna lie. I would like want a pine green and white pair of this shoe, preferably in leather though. Your whole upper is this black nubuck with the gray elephant print. You have the black lace outlets, well, the black lace eyelets. Then your Jumpman is pine green with like some yellow outlining. And I think the yellow actually gives this shoe a really nice touch. Being the fact that it's pretty much all black, pine green, and elephant print, the yellow is really nice. And then you have the gray Jumpman on the back. Green behind the tongue, and then you have a gray sock liner. Now, as far as QC goes, my pair ain't looking too good.
Huh?
I'ma just throw that out. My pair not looking good at all. My pair ain't looking good at all. I ain't gonna lie. This is my first time like really looking in depth in these, but like as you can see on my air bubble, there's paint on my air bubble, and that's on both sides of it. And then the glue. I'm trying to see if I can see the glue stains, but there's glue stains going down here. This ain't looking too hot, Nike. I might have to file a little complaint or something. My midsole down here, there's glue all down there. There's glue on my nubuck. And then, like I said earlier, I have a stain on my toe box. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's right there. That stain on my toe box. So QC not looking too good. I'm guessing because it was a general release shoe. A lot of people did not go after this shoe. I personally have been eyeing this shoe since the first look of it. And I thought a lot of people were, but I guess the hype just died down once people found out that they were a general release shoe. It doesn't bother me because I'm about what I like. The hype doesn't sway my opinion. If I think the shoe's dope, the shoe's dope. Overall, the shoe is still like a super dope shoe. I just feel like that QC could have been a lot better. And I'm pretty sure I'm not the only person with flaws on my shoe. Yeah, I'm not just a needle in a haystack. You can tell that these were kind of rushed. Like, you can kind of, okay, I don't know if y'all can see this, but you can kind of tell right here that like my mids, okay, I look creepy right there, okay. And excuse the light and the sun just kind of went down, but you can kind of tell right here, I can't see, hold on. You can kind of tell right here that my midsole is gonna be separating in a couple years. Like you can see that it's not even like fully I got they got me. They got me on this pair. I don't know if I would have paid full retail. I don't know if I would have kept this shoe. I probably would have sent it back. Because the stuff on this shoe, this don't make no. I haven't got a pair of Jordans this bad in a really, really long time. I can't tell you the last shoe that I got with this bad of QC. JB, baby. JB. Baby. You gotta do better than this. JB, you gotta do better than this. Jordan Brand. If y'all see this video, come holla at me if y'all see this video. Cause something ain't getting done in the workshop. I don't know. But I'm really disappointed in the quality of these shoes. Like, I feel like it's reps out there that look better than this. I don't know. If y'all had a similar experience with this shoe, let me know in the comments. Because I want to know, like, am I really just a needle in a haystack? Or was the QC really that bad on these shoes? I want to know. But overall, I think it's a really dope shoe. If you did miss out, I would say for right now, you can purchase on StockX or Go or whatever. They're not that high, but I feel like we will see some delayed shipments of this shoe in the coming weeks. I would keep my eye out on the mall. I feel like these are kind of going to be like the Lightnings, where they sold out release day, but as the weeks go by, they keep popping up. I know the Lightnings had a restock today in Houston. Sometimes they just pop up. You know, we got the whole ship in the ocean thing going on, so don't know if we got shoes tied up in it or what, but I do feel like these are gonna pop back up in stores. Don't quote me on that. I wouldn't be in a super rush to buy these right now. I don't see them going up significantly right now. Maybe closer to the spring, but right now I feel like they're gonna kind of float around that $250, $260 mark, which is only $50, $60 above retail. I think, I'm not sure how much they retail for me, and probably $190 though. So yeah, I wouldn't be in a big rush to just go scoop these off of StockX or anything. Try to buy local. Local is always going to give you the best deal. StockX, you know, we got the tax, the fees, shipping takes 2 weeks. So if you are going to buy this for resale, try to buy local, or wait it out and see if they pop up in your malls. But overall, I'm happy with the colorway of the shoe. I'm not happy with the production of my shoe. I think it's still going to be really dope to put on with outfits this fall. So yeah, I'm happy with my purchase. I just wish overall, I'm happy with my purchase. I just wish that I had some better quality control on this pair. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, we're going to be dropping every week from here on out. Maybe multiple times a week. Thinking about doing Vlogmas. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what other videos y'all want to see. It could be raffle related, shoe related, clothing. It doesn't matter. Just whatever y'all want to see. I want to bring y'all that content. Once again, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Share with a friend. Tell a friend. Tell a friend of a friend. Tell them to check their shoes. For the QC, let me know if y'all shoe had some funky stuff going on with the quality. But hey, last name not Jordan for nothing. Cut the cameras.
Give me I want day, just stay. Close your eyes, no shed no tears. Keep it dark, close the shade. I'm off the pills, doing that lean.